guys, welcome to another video of 2025. We are going to talk about how to bargain for a car at a dealership here in Kenya. Now, umetaka gari, umeenda kununua gari and you've met a broker or you are at a dealership and you want to get the best deal out of that car. So how do you go about it? Number one, makosa tufanya. If you have not done the research, what is the price of that car? What is the market value of that car before you go and ask for it? Whether it is a locally used car or whether ndo imetoka Japan, imefika Kenya or UK or from wherever, you must do your research. What's the price range? Now you must understand that price range ranges from, of course, the grade of the car. I've talked about the grade of the car on my previous video. Go check that out. So the grade of the car basically means how well or how good looking or how the car has been kept. Yes, go check that out. Also the mileage of the car also depends, and if it is a fully loaded car. There are cars that are different categories depending on how they are. For example, unaweza pata premium, just a normal premium, you'd find another one with heated seats, leather seats. Of course, they do not have the same prices. So that is one of the things you should do. Number one is, of course, do your research before getting to a dealer, because dealer atakugonga usipochunga. Number two now is, of course, after you've done your research on the market price of the car, set a budget and stick to it. Kama gari ni 1.7 na wewe umeamua upite 1.7 usipite, because of course dealers always have their markup profit. So whether you're buying or not, kila mtu kuna mali atakwamilia, pia wewe kwama hapo. The worst you can do is go overboard your budget and of course go buy the car, alafu baadaye unakuja regret knowing you could have got a better price from somewhere else. So stick to your budget. Number three is, do not give the first offer. That is one of the things that many people do, which is wrong. Umeenda umeona gari unapenda and you're like, mimi niko na 1.7. No. Let the dealer give you the deal, the price first, then you negotiate from there. You could be surprised unaweza for a very good deal that you're not expecting. Yeah. So number four is that never show too much interest on a car. That's one of a bad decision you can make when buying a car. Showing too much interest. Umeenda kwa dealer, hii ndio gari nimekuwa nikitafuta. My friend, utati. Because assume you have a business and a client comes and says, sasa nimepata kiatu yenye nilikuwa nimetafuta. Of course, if you're selling the shoe at 3k, unaweza muuzia hata 6k, or they bargain and sell it at 5k. So that's what happens in a car. It's the same, business is the same. Never show too much interest. Umeenda pale umeona gari unataka, it has everything you've been wanting. Maybe iko alloy rims, has a sunroof, leather seats. Like na hujapata hizo kwa good mileage, na hujapata hiyo kwa another dealership. Do not show interest first, right? Wajifanye tu uko 50-50, because now it's up to the buyer, it's up to the seller, sorry, to convince you to buy. So ukijipeleka hapo, this is the car been looking for, my friend, utagongwa vibaya sana. Number 5 and the last one is, of course, toa gari makosa. Have a look at the car. Go around the car, have a mechanic, come with a mechanic. I always advocate for that. Go with a mech, check the car out, check the tires. Kama ziko a bit worn out kiasi, unasema na hizi tire manze kuna venye zibambi, kama iko na two scratches, vitu kama hizo, that will help you negotiate for the car. Not just going there and unachukua tu gari. That's why I always say go with a mech. And then in a mech mtest gari, anaweza sikia maybe hizo suspensions are not up to the standards, and of course it's either you buy the car or not. Na dealer akisikia unataka kubuy because it has maybe some issues ama iko na scratches, vitu kama hizo, they'll go down their price. So those are the things you should be considering, guys. Make sure you have that in mind next time. So don't just go to the buyer and without research, without of course knowing your budget and kuonesha too much interest. Hata ukiona gari online, even if you love it so much, ati hiyo ndio gari nimekuwa nikitafuta, uko wapi sahi, just relax and pretend to be normal. You'll get the best deal. But mimi naona ngawase wanaenda na hiyo, hata nimepata hiyo gari nilikuwa nataka na itaka sahi bro, simnieke kwa flatbed kuje, my friend, unagongwa bei vibaya sana. So that is it. Before you do that, and you can always consult me on my social media pages at Car Advice Kenya, and come to tuongee hizo maneno za magari, because I'm here to help you. That's it, till next time, goodbye.